saying, G?
Holy moly! It says, look at rims. That's my dad in the engine. He's the engine now.
Jammin, there's no engine in here.
No way. We have no engines, do we? No engines, do we?
So what are you looking at?
I'm looking at my all-wheel drive. Yeah, look. It's not hard to miss, is it? I'm just looking at my all-wheel drive, just seeing what I need to do, because this is the next project that's going on road soon. Just looking at what needs to be done, and we're gonna go and see. So the way it looks, this is good actually, because you're looking at it how it came to me. So you're gonna see how it's gonna end up looking when I'm finished with it. You know what I'm saying, G? All-wheel drive, hopefully. Flock dash, some fuel system in the back, which I am not going to be using, I don't think.
Ooh, there's a snail in the passenger seat, Jam.
68, 70, Gen 2, next gen, everything in that one. That's a turbo. That's
You're not using that fuel cell. It does look pretty meh.
I don't like it. I don't like. The geezer who had this, yeah, he's got 3 pumps in it. So imagine the noise of 3 pumps and a swirl pot. So I want to do something different. And you know me, I'm crazy innit. So I've got something in my mind that I'm gonna do, and if that works, happy days. But I might use a tank just to start off with, just to get the car going, make sure everything works as it should, and then I'm gonna put all Speed Factory tanks in the front instead and have nothing in the rear. But that can help. I always change plans. I'll come to you next, don't worry.
We'll come back tomorrow, you'll have a new plan.
Yeah.
It's going 6-wheel drive.
Wheel drive. That's a new trend right now, isn't
Did you see Speed Factory's picture?
Yeah.
Got 4 wheels on the back. I thought it was AI at first glance, you know.
Today we got a friend here from Leicester. His name is Manajah. He's one of the fastest NAs in Europe. His fastest time is 9.5, I think. In an NA? I think it's 9.5 your fastest time, mate. 9.4. Not 9.4, shit. Making it the fastest in Europe. Look what he's trapping. He knows what's a real fast car.
He's got the Silver Surfer on his back. That's fast. There's me and Titch were talking names for our cars, and White Widow was another one.
But who's white?
The car's white, isn't it?
Your car is?
It's gonna go white, yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be white.
It's gonna be white, yeah.
White Widow is alright.
White Widow's alright. Tell Jamie, talk us through what's cracking.
Chroma pistons. 87.5. No, 11. Yeah,
11 to 1.
Yeah. I asked for highest one. Allen rods. I use a lot of Allen stuff. I have.
Who's Alan, Jam?
Allen built from USA, who builds all the engines. Not this one. That's mini safer. It's going back to the name. They're good for tires and brake apparently. Wonder what car it's going in. That one? That one? Or that one? So that's that there. Tanks already in. Head bolts, cams.
Oh yeah. What you hiding?
All-wheel drive gearbox ready. It's got a
4-wheel drive gearbox.
It's got a
For what, Jam?
for one of the vehicles. They have got gear X in that already, so that should be alright. This is my NA engine. I don't think I can try it. Oh, actually, I'm quite strong today. These are chrome pistons as well, and these are
Serious compression ones.
14.5 compression pistons. This has done 11.3 at pod.
NA.
We've got a head ready there for it. That's going to go on today as well.
2-ton.
And then that's going to go into one of these cars. This one. Or that one.
Oh, that one?
Nah.
No. Oh.
Don't ever say that.
Too slow for that one.
They should be going in.
Jammin, what's the story behind the billet?
The billet needs to be put apart, you know.
Because people always ask, why not running a billet block?
That one was a test. There's a lot going on. I don't like it. I'd rather get another billet. But that's in the makings for next year. I'm going to give it to someone.
Me?
No, to fix. You can try.
I don't think I could fix it, but what's wrong with it?
But the rod let go on it.
Yeah.
You just have to look in there, yeah? I can hide them pistons up. And they're boost pistons.
All in a lot.
But anyway, look, that one's facing that way and that one's facing the other way. So what I really need to check is if underneath, if it broke the sleeve.
Oh.
If it has, then I'll put new sleeves in. Measure it out properly, put 2/4 crank in, and then go again. So yeah, that's what's happening. So bless it with
Buller for lube.
fly.
No, 2 S2000 pumps.
No, that's normal K20 pumps.
Oh.
That one's an S2000 pump.
You can't tell the difference?
Can't.
You can?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see?
I was comparing these two.
Yeah, them two are the same.
Oh.
That one's different.
Yeah, these two are different. So this is a
S2000.
S2000 pump. See, if you want to go fast, you need an S2000.
You don't run S2000.
It's not running yet. We're on a mission, AJ. Where are we going?
Go and get the Batman.
The Batman. Bringing it to BMT. Batman mechanic Ting.
Go and take the engine in and out.
Active. You going to fuel check?
In the truck or in the Batman?
Both.
Both have got fuel.
There we go.
Yes, oh, you know if you can avoid few humps if you go this way. Did you know that?
I don't care, send them.
Are you mad? The backline's got low sub.
Oh,
These ones are smoother.
the I-Pace has no bumps.
Where's the sandwiches, bro?
Your chemo sandwiches. I'm sure we stop and go get some. How many people are there? 2, 3 there and 4 to 5 here. Come, we'll grab some food. I'm active. Right.
Let my body wake up.
AJ goes to me, should we turn the heating on?
Here we go. Hopefully. Yes, I. Thanks to Biggie, this is. Biggie, respect Biggie, heating our work.
So we are bringing the box shape to Jammin's unit. Look how sad he looks. Batman's upset. He's coming out for the low nines. Get on the winch, baby. My first time loading a car on a recovery truck. This is
first time you winched it on.
winched it on, yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Come and strap it now, put the ramps away then, innit?
Here we go, jump share there. What should I do with the pistola? Batman, I'm sorry your owner left you. I had to strap you down myself. First time strapping down a car on a truck. Hopefully it's alright. Just willy-nilly just sent it. That's alright. Right, solid. It's not going anywhere. Back is solid. Beautiful. Soon breathe again, Batman.
Stop piggy mess. Trust me.
That's the long one. I need that. But I need the short one. Short one.
Okay. Okay. I'll get one over there. You got one?
No, I've been looking for
The engine's built. So a manager built. Done. Dusted. Beautiful.
My engine's in the car.
You understand? When
Where?
He loves the EF, you know.
The back.
Loves the EF.
This is car cause there. What? Are you on?
Yes.
Oh, we should get your helmet out of the car, man. The EF.
Are you started?
Wait. I need the key in there first. Remember? Let me see if you do neutral. Don't start yet.
Neutral.
Hold on.
Goes, dig in.
Yo, you saved? This is the plastic box keeping you back.
You need to come here, Annie.
Leo, come on.
Let me go.
It's slow.
Active day at BMT garage. Fucking hell, it's messing here. Fucking hell.
Gosh, I got smoked. When's your S2000 ready?
2027.
27. What's next on it?
Paint.
Sorry?
Paint. You can't hear me. Now
Got your
because
gearbox?
The mics
Rear
are
end?
fixed. The rear end I need £10,000 for.
Okay.
Never get messed
Your bedrooms. Holy moly! What is that? Look at the sunset. That way, not that way. That's nice.
Holy moly!
Holy moly!
AJ, what's going on here?
Quick head change.
Head change. Open it up and have a look, see.
There we go.
I'm going to put that nut back on.
Yo, I want stop block now. He good. You know we've had. You know if that was me, stop block 9.5.
9.5.
Who trying to tell
NA
Jammin
King,
need
you
more
know.
RPM?
NA King.
That's where you make 50.
You got a license for that gun, Chan?
No, see it.
May you give me a 14 long smoke?
Party celebration when Duck and kill fella them.
No, you lie.
And who we done there smoke?
Oh yeah, you lie. Which lie?
And you celebrate.
Why is she so loud? What's wrong? Yeah, mate.
Now we run Jammin. We say jokes. Now we run
All I
Jammin.
can hear is Jammin. I buy them at hard race ones, yeah? I buy them one day, I put them on the car, I'm like, yes! Yes, everything fresh. We break the car. They say a lot, I'm like, oh my god!
Chai! Chai!
That's my dad in the engine. He's the engine now.
Yeah, grab this.
Progress. Chows!
I'm going to drop. You're going to go. I'm going to go and come back.
Hit that.
36.
Take this.
Yo, the tree brothers.
They think they're better.
Jammin, what happened to AJ's engine in the end?
So basically, AJ forgot to tell me that the crank pulley wasn't set it right, like it wasn't tightened. So basically, obviously, when he went to do the run, the crank pulley moved and he jumped timing and he bent 4 valves or 6 valves or 8 valves. Anyway, we took the head off. We're gonna put another head on and just go again.